definitely in 2020. This is hot. Like, it's hot, hot, hot. 1930s references, though.
Where are the 30s in here? They pondered. The basin, maybe the mirror. Neil said,
if someone were to say to me, show me a typical luxury bathroom from 2020, it would be this. But where is the period detail?
Shana was definitely expecting to see more 1930s today. Looking at the vanity, she said,
if you could pick one of the worst laminates to put in this bathroom, that's possibly it.
Yep.
Just putting black tapware in does not say deco.
No, it doesn't.
And I've got to say, the more I'm looking at this, that laminate and that tile together is 10 years old.
Yeah.
That is dated already.
Neil noted that directly across the hallway, there's a bathroom with subway tiles.
Really lovely decorative tiles in a sort of white and burgundy colour combination.
Yeah, I'm going to invite Neil around to help me rip that out, because that's the ugliest bathroom I've come across, and there's no way I'll be putting that in a bright and brand new house that we're doing for him.
I'm not saying that was a beautiful bathroom, but give me elements of that.
Your tile choice, if you put a dated tile on the wall, even though it might be 1930s, poof, who knows when that's going to go out again. So lux it up a little bit, and look, I'm wrapped with what we delivered this week.
There's nothing in here that either relates to the period of the house or that relates to the bedroom they delivered last week.
Darren does think the mirror cabinet is period appropriate in its shape, but agrees this is a very 2020 bathroom. And as he said today, the market will love this bathroom.
There's lots to love in here.
There is.
Functionally, it works beautifully.
But he did agree with Shona about the vanity. He thinks she should change the drawer fronts out for something that makes a stronger statement.
Yeah, you know what? I think it's nice, but if they want more of a pop, then that's fine. But, you know, I'm happy. I love it.
I'm going to be blunt. It's a cop-out.
Yeah.
It's a complete cop-out. They have not acknowledged the period of the house. They have just given us a generic contemporary bathroom.
It's a room that's ignored a lot of great opportunity.
Yes, it is beautiful, but it's meant to be meeting a brief. And they have taken the easiest path. They've thought, oh, well, all mirrors at the moment look deco, so we'll just put one of those in. That'll keep the judges happy.
Yeah.
Sorry, doesn't work.
We designed our bathroom to what we thought the buyers are going to want it going forward, and I'm stoked with what we've got.
Look, I know that Daniel and Jade have obviously had an unusual week. They had to go away. You know, they had pressure, they had constraints. I get that. And, you know, given that, look at the quality again of what they've executed. It's beautifully done.
Yeah.
But that doesn't forgive the design and the overall concept.
We had to think of things that were going to make our job easier as well, knowing we didn't have as much time to be on site as everyone else.
But the brief is the brief is the brief, and it's not hitting it.
Yeah. That's it.
Thanks, Scotty.